Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and I'm showing you today one of probably the coolest old four doors you'll ever see. 65 Caprice, and that's right, you're seeing the right flags, 396 in it. 45,000 miles, mostly original paint on it from what we can tell. Either that or a darn excellent single stage done years ago, but really nice car. Two owner car out of Iowa, and you're gonna see some imperfections here and there, a chip, like there's another chip, one right there, just because it's mostly original, you know, you can't feel a paint line anywhere on it. I don't see anything. The interior looks like it's new. I mean, definitely looks like 45,000 mile car. 45,759. Air car, power seat, factory air shocks. We do have the original wheels and hubcaps. So this is what you're gonna see. There isn't any rust on it. It's had a little touch up here and there. With some chips and stuff and some dual exhaust. You can see dual exhaust tips and everything. Chrome looks good. I mean, like I said, it's single stage paint on it, but it's just like here you can see some nicks along there. You got a chip here and there. Right there, a couple chips touched up. So that's what you're seeing is that's what you're getting is a mostly original car. This thing would be great if you like to show cars and you want an original class. This thing would show really well, I believe, in that class. So runs, drives good. You just don't see anything like this. This might be the only one on the market right now. So really cool car, and it's four-door hardtop. So that's kind of neat too. So there, I've seen a couple dings on the hood, if you can see them. There you can kind of see them. But super cool, super nice for a nice original car. 605-695-7391.